Want to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails that get more clicks? A great thumbnail can make a huge difference in your video's performance, and the best part is, you don't need to be a designer. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to make professional YouTube thumbnails in Canva in 2026. First, sign in to Canva and use the search bar to look for YouTube thumbnail templates. Canva automatically uses the correct size, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. Next, browse through the templates and pick one that matches your video's style or niche. Remember, you can customize every part of the design. Replace the sample text with a short and catchy title. Keep it easy to read and avoid using too many words. A bold text often performs better on smaller screens. Upload your own photos or use Canva's built-in graphics and elements. Adding faces, icons, or visual effects can help your thumbnail stand out. Use contrasting colors and keep the layout clean. Make sure the important elements are easy to see, even on a small mobile screen. When your design is ready, click Download and choose PNG for the best image quality. Then upload it directly to your YouTube video. And that's how to make YouTube thumbnails in Canva. With the right design, colors, and text, you can create thumbnails that attract more viewers and improve click-through rates. So yeah, keep experimenting and find a style that matches your channel. Thanks for watching.